guys, I just want to finish up this video. I started it in the last video and I didn't get a chance to finish, so I was going over 3 ways to solve the equations, and we already talked about elimination method and substitution method. So the last one that I want to do is graphing. Okay, so if you are just tuning in, my equations for 3x minus y equals -4, and then 2x plus y equals -6. Now in the last video, what we did is we ended up rewriting this one and solving for y, and I get y equals -2x minus 6, just rearranging the equation. Okay, so this one became this one. And then I have to do the same thing with this other equation, okay, because these were our 2 equations that made up our system. So I'm going to take this one in yellow, and I'm just going to rewrite that one as well in slope-intercept form. So I can do that by subtracting 3x from this side and subtracting 3x from this side. And I get left -y equals -3x minus 4. And then I'm going to divide every single term by -1 to get rid of that negative. And so I get y equals 3x plus 4. Okay, so that equation is now written in slope-intercept form. So it was originally this one, but when I rewrote it, I get this one. All right, so I'm going to go and graph both of those on my graph here. So this one in pink that I've highlighted, the y-intercept would be -6, and the slope would be -2. And if I'm going to graph it, I probably should write it as -2/1. And then for this yellow equation here, the slope and the y-intercept, the slope would be 3. And again, if I want to graph it, I should probably write it as 3/1. And my y-intercept, my b value is 0, 4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with, I guess, the pink one. I'm going to go ahead and graph the y-intercept first. 0, -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kind of down at the end of my graph. And then I'm going to go up to the left once, up to the left once, up to the left once, up to the left once. I'm going to try to draw in my line. Not very good. I should have a ruler. Maybe I can try to redo that. So a little bit better. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, and then so that's that pink one right here. And then if I graph the yellow one, I'm going to start at -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. So the y-intercept 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and then it's going to go up 3 to the right one. 1, 2, 3 to the right one. I don't really have the space to go up anymore, so I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3 to the left one. 1, 2, 3 to the left one. Okay, so you guys hopefully can see that these points intersect at that bottom one down there. Oops, mine's a little crooked. Hopefully you guys can see though that this is an intersection spot, the intersection point, and it's -2, -2, and that is my answer. So there is 3 different ways to do the exact same system. Hopefully this helps you connect all 3 of them together. You don't have to know every single method, but you do have to learn how to solve systems. So just choose a method and go with it. One might be easier than the other depending on what formula